Well, from El Toro Pharmacy today, we have Billy Colley, and he is the installation and repair specialist. I'd like to welcome you to the program.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks.
Yeah, we
thanks
always
for
get
having me.
a great people over from El Toro Pharmacy, so it's nice to meet
It's
you.
a good thing, I hope.
Yeah, and what we're going to really talk about today, a couple things. We're going to talk about your role with El Toro Pharmacy first, and then we're going to get into these mobility devices. So first tell me about some of the stuff that you do, installation, repair. You kind of help the repair, like when the mobility devices come in, wheelchairs and things like that?
Yes, sir. So first of all, I manage the DME Mobility products. For example, like the smallest would be this guys that I have in front of me, the rollators, or your regular
That's what
canes.
they're called, rollators.
Rollators. So your trifold, this guy right here would be your cruiser. And they both comes with spring adjusted brakes and all the nice fancy little wheels that comes with it. But I also do vehicle lifts, mobility lifts.
Wow.
Yeah, they lift your scooters or your whatever power chairs.
So you install those?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow.
And also we do stair lift installations and repair. That's to take you from the first floor to the third floor, whatever, how many floors you have in your house. And we do also vertical platform.
Got some
and
video on this.
And signature, yeah, as you see on that video that we have there, that's a nice little fold-up scooter.
Yeah, I like those. That's, you know, it's amazing. You look at some of these nowadays, how compact they can really become and how lightweight they've become,
Yeah, they can.
right?
Yeah, they either majority of them you can break them down into 5 different pieces for easy transportation.
Yeah.
And some of them, like the one that we have right now on the show right now, is that little trifold. I mean, it folds up a nice little suitcase. You drag down in the airport like you were dragging your suitcase back with you.
Yeah, the engineering behind that is amazing. But
Amazing.
you also do, as you said, like with vehicles, like the vans and things like that, you can put the lifts in there.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
I do both interior and exterior. So it doesn't matter, whatever looks that you like, we'll make that happen.
All right, so if I need help getting the bike rack on my car,
yeah, you just give me a call.
We'll give you a call. Okay, let's talk about these, and they're called rollators.
Yes, sir. So this would be your basic, when it comes down to your walkers style. So you got a nice little economical grip right here, you form in your palms, and you got spring-loaded brakes, which you have right here.
All right.
Kind of like your bicycle brakes almost. Okay. So you got a couple options here. So if you push down on the brakes, it locks.
Okay.
The
Yeah,
back
that's
wheel
nice.
right here. So, or you can slowly, or you can easy, just squeeze a little bit, it will slow down, or you can squeeze it all the way and we'll stop.
Oh, I like these so much better than just those walkers
The standard
that people
walkers,
have.
yeah. So
because, you know, they just slide, or people put the,
You see them sometimes pick it up, you know.
Yeah.
They put so much strength.
This is so much better. Now, let me ask you, are these adjustable for the height of the person?
Yes, sir.
They
So
are. Okay.
this company came out with this guy, so you can adjust the arms.
Oh, great.
And the beautiful thing with this guy, the only one that has it, is that you can also adjust the seat height, which is very
that's
important.
really nice. Yeah.
Very important. You know, because you definitely want to have. So this guy comes ready for you to fit somebody.
Yeah, and you've got a little storage area here, so when you go shopping or something.
Shopping, got a nice little seat.
Yeah.
And you got this guy right here, which is your for your backrest.
Oh, very nice.
So you don't fall out of the...
I mean, this is great, and so again, so much better than just the walkers.
So much better, yes.
Much more stable.
Yes.
And the fact you got the seat, and you can take it where you go.
And you can walk, and the beautiful thing about this guy is that when you want to rest, all you have to do is pop this brake, you turn around, and have a seat.
Very nice. All right, I'm going to sit. You talk. I'm
Okay.
Sit on that. There we go. No, I mean, really, these are really.
They're awesome.
Yeah. All right. So, now this is more. Is this an upgraded model or just slightly?
So this is slightly a different style.
Okay.
Just for the fact that it is lighter.
Okay.
Lighter.
Oh, really?
A lot lighter.
Wow.
So you take your regular standard walker, you put nice 4 wheels right here. You add the same braking system as that one there.
Okay.
And you got a nice little backrest here, a seat that will come up. And the beautiful thing about this is the storage options of it.
Yeah. Now, so this is a little bit more akin to a standard walker with added features. Okay.
For those who were so used to this and don't want to change it all, we made a little change.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, you can add storage options to this?
Yes, sir. So that you can buy bags, you can buy pouches that will mount on the front here, or the sides, or you can have a bag.
Great.
And they're awesome.
Yeah, and to me, again, gives somebody so much more mobility if they're going to the shopping mall, if they're going to the grocery store.
Yes,
you
sir.
have places to put things on. The walkers, you really don't, or if you do, you're now going like this. Now, is it hard? Because, you know, people like what they like. Is it hard when someone comes in to get them from a walker to something like this because they might be going, well, there's wheels on there, I might slip and...
Yeah, it is a hard adjustment, but like you can tell them it is like once you just take a couple practice and you'll be it's gonna be so much easier.
It makes so much more sense. I mean, it really does.
Why pick it up when you can roll with it?
Yeah, really.
Why take the extra step of picking up that walker to move it forward when you can just roll and brake with just your hand?
Yeah, great idea. Now, I know besides these, you have different models of these, and with these, I've seen different kinds that you can get. I mean,
so many out there.
It's amazing how many there are out there, right?
Yeah, the options is so many.
Yeah.
You know, whatever you like. The best thing is that when you want to get fitted, is that you want to actually sit on the chair.
Yeah.
You know, so there's so many options because you never know. You know, if this one you like the seat or you like the width a little better or.
And beyond that, of course, El Toro Pharmacy has all the other different. I mean, obviously, we saw in the piece there, you fixing one of the scooters. You have scooters, you have wheelchairs, just whatever people want, right?
For almost all your everyday living.
Yeah.
Mobility products, we sell them at El Toro Pharmacy, and we have a pretty good amount of variety of products on the floor ready for you to try them out.
And that way people too can see how they fold up. I think that's one of the issues people have is how am I going to fold this up? And hopefully they have someone that can help them with some of them.
Yeah,
but some people are mobile enough, they may need the scooter on occasion if they're out somewhere for a long time, but want to know how can I store this? How do I charge it when it comes to scooters? Right?
And we answer all those questions for you. We'll help you from step 1 to step 20 or to step 100. However many, there's no wrong questions.
Yeah.
You know,
ask
like
the questions.
We're ask the question, as much questions you can about
Very
that product.
Good. And if you need something installed, this is the gentleman that can help you out, right?
Yeah, yes,
or
sir.
something repaired.
Yeah, so
now,
for anything.
If somebody brings a device in that needs repairing and they got it somewhere else or whatever, that's fine. You guys do a repair service.
Yes, we do repair on any product.
Okay.
Doesn't matter if you bought it down the street from our competitor or you bought it online, you bring it in, we take a look at it and repair it for you.
Okay, and you do the stair lifts as well.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Stair lift.
So you do it all.
That's a nice product.
Yeah.
Especially for those, if you bought your home 40 years ago or 20 years ago, and it's a two-story, and why sell your nice home that you worked so hard for?
Yeah.
To downgrade yourself. Like, we can make it happen where you can stay at home, at your own comfort, you know, and love your home that you spend so much money on.
Yeah, I totally agree. Great to meet you, sir.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you for having me.
Oh, it's wonderful. And thank you for bringing these in because it really shows all the different options that are available. And the key thing is go to El Toro Pharmacy and the folks down there are going to find the right thing for you. They're going to fit you. And that way you can find out, maybe you like this style, maybe you like that, maybe you want something totally different.
A little bit more fancy.
Yeah, they'll have it for you.
Yes, sir.
All right, fella. Good
to
see you. I hope we see you again.
Yeah, hopefully.
All right, we will. All right, take care.
Thank you again.
The information's on the screen, and of course, El Toro Pharmacy is right down there in Moulton Plaza. You know where that is. And check them out. Go in. And by the way, last time we had Christine on, if you have pets, they can help you with pet medications at a far less cost than the veterinary place, right?
Yeah, that's Christine for you. Yeah,
I love it. All right.
Yeah.
We'll be right back. Yeah, she told me to.